Hello and welcome to the MecSoft demonstration series, where you can see live demonstrations for real users and real-world applications. For more information about our products or to schedule your own live demonstration, just give us a call or visit us at www.mecsoft.com. Without further delay, we invite you to sit back and enjoy the demonstration.
You wanted to preview our full cloud-based CAM product that MecSoft is working on currently. So I'm going to give you a quick preview of that as well, okay?
Okay.
So I hope this browser, what you're looking at here, what you're seeing is very familiar to you, right? What you're seeing here is Onshape.
Yes.
So Onshape is a full cloud CAD application. And now I'm going to go ahead and just bring it apart. So you can see that it's loading the model into the workspace. So you're familiar with Onshape, so I don't need to, give you any additional, information because you already are designing with Onshape, so you're familiar with it, how we can create on the full cloud. So what we are currently developing is a CAM plugin that'll fully work in the cloud. So this CAM product is going to be called shapeCAM, which is a full cloud CAM, integrated CAM for Onshape.
Okay.
So as you notice here, when I loaded the application, it adds a new tab into your document in Onshape. You just go down to load your part. So the part is now being loaded. Now everything that you're seeing here is done on the cloud, so it's independent of what hardware you're working with. All you got to do is be able to get online using a web browser. So it's the same part what we looked at in the standalone, right?
Yep.
So now we have what is called a wizard-driven interface in here. So we set the cutting direction. You set your XYZ orientation for milling. We set the cutting direction. The next step is what we currently have here is the ability to define a part box stock where you can specify the offsets for the stock in here. And then you can establish your work 0, which is going to be your G54 or your XYZ origin. And then you go to machining operations. We currently have 2.5 and 3 axis operations in here. So you can see that we have 2.5 like facing, pocketing, profiling, engraving, and also 3 axis Z-level roughing, Z-level finishing, and parallel finishing. So I'm going to pick Z-level roughing, and you can specify a tool. I could say I want to use a 1/2 inch end mill for the roughing process. I could set my feeds and speeds in here. I could set the clearance definition, specify the cutting parameters. This is where you can specify all your properties, your step distance, your step down distance, and you hit generate. Now when you click on generate, you'll see that the tool path is being computed fully on the cloud. It's using the power of all the resources that are on our servers, and there's scalability, so you can go scale up or scale down depending on the complexity of the model, and all you have is a very thin client to work off. So the tool path is now generated, and it's delivered to you right on the web browser. So whatever you saw the computations, they were all done on the cloud using the servers in the back end. So now we have the ability to simulate it here. You can run a animation. You hit the play button that shows the animation of your tool.
And that's coming how soon?
I don't have the release time frame on it, but this is something currently in the works. So we will notify our users once it's ready.
Okay.
So we can also generate a cut model, which means it will show you what the result of the simulation would look like. So now we have here in the demonstration here, we're just showing a few of these methods to show that it is easily doable to be able to work on the cloud as well. And there's your cut model as you see it.
Okay.
Then you want to post-process it, and this is where you select your post-processors from the list. The same set of post-process what you saw in our Visual CAD/CAM standalone product is in here, and it produces the posted code. It's downloaded automatically to your computer, and you can preview it in a text editor, a notepad, or any CNC editor.
Okay. I'm going to have to put the phone down for a few minutes. Can I call you back and we can finish this demo?
Sure, that would be fine. So you can call back on the same number that you have, and I'll pause the demo recording and demonstration here, so I'll wait for you to join back.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. What we did was we programmed this roughing operation using our the fully cloud-based plugin for Onshape. All right, so I'm previewing here the roughing toolpath, and then you can go back and program a finishing toolpath. Now this works very similar to what you notice in our standalone application, where you can put in all the parameters in here. You can specify now, put in all the parameters. You can specify your step over distances in here and generate the toolpath. So currently we are just previewing this product. It's not available yet for release, and we're still working on making all the additional functionalities and options, features that are available in our standalone product into the plugin as well.
Okay.
But that it is doable, and it is how quickly we were able to generate toolpaths.
Now this will be on the cloud, so I can take, as long as I am licensed through you, can I turn on my license at, say if I go to a machining place, a die shop, can I access his computers and turn on Onshape there and use this machining function?
You just get in through a web browser. You sign into, the way it works is you'd have to subscribe to the app, and then there will be a subscription for it, and then you can access it from any device.
Good. Okay.